Proportion refers to how large or small an element is compared to its surroundings and the other elements nearby. For example, objects can be referred to as big or small only if they're considered in relation to something else. One of the most significant concepts related to proportion is the golden mean, which is based on a ratio of 1 to 1.618. If we start with a rectangle that's based on this ratio and add a perfect square, a new golden rectangle is created. This process can be repeated infinitely, and the resulting rectangles are always proportionate to the golden mean. When multiple golden rectangles are combined, the corresponding corners of the squares connect to form a perfect spiral. The ancient Greeks discovered ideal proportions in nature. The nautilus shell, for example, is one of the known shapes that represent the golden mean. The nautilus shell grows into increasingly larger proportionate chambers throughout its life. The Greeks also applied these proportions to their architecture. For example, the Parthenon in Athens is based on the golden rectangle. The most common tool designers use to achieve proportion is a grid. Grids are patterns of regularly spaced vertical lines, generally visible and referred to as columns. Because the lines are evenly spaced and columns are of equal width, elements sized to the grid are proportionate to one another. The grid both facilitates proportion and helps ensure that the design is structurally sound, stable, and pleasing to the eye.
Vizi online texts are a new kind of textbook, built with the help of great subject matter experts. These new learning resources have already helped thousands of students succeed. Our original content uses animations, simulations, video and graphics, self-assessments, exercises, and review materials to engage students in their study. Our approach is proven to improve learning outcomes, and that's why Vizi exists, to transform lives by making education more engaging.